Hey, what's up, guys? It's Kid on Weezy slash Jire slash Thomas, whatever you want to call me. And since I've been working on Escape Rune, I just wanted to show you guys a quick demonstration of how minimal garbage programming is very effective for RSPS. And is something that you should definitely take into consideration when you're writing your servers. You can run it on all insane amount of hardware that you would never expect to be able to run a server on. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up JVisualVM. Let's go here, this, Java, this. Okay, so JVisualVM, which is going to let us monitor the process when we run. So I know that the other IntelliJ here is 4608, which is the client. So I'm going to run the server. You're going to be able to see it. Unfortunately, I cannot show you guys more code than this, but this should be pretty self-explanatory here. I take the elapsed time using nano time, and then I divide by 1,000,000 to get the millisecond time with the decimal points like this. Okay, so we're gonna keep it at the bottom like this so we can see the updated cycle times. So here's our app. This is Escape Rune, the servers. We're gonna go over to Profiler and we're gonna choose Memory Profiler. You can see it's inserting stuff. So you can see our memory usage and what's going on here. So you can see it's very inactive. It's very inactive right now, and it's generally, dealing fine. So let's go ahead and let's open up our client. And I want to put the client over here, and I'll put the JVisualVM over here with a big view on this stuff, so you guys can kind of get an idea of how the garbage is in the server. So I'll just log in, and we're just gonna log in, and we'll see. You see any jumps there? Just monitor everything that you're doing here. Okay. So now there's different strings and everything going on that we're getting. So obviously gonna populate character array. But other than that, our memory use is extremely small footprint, and generally extremely stable memory usage, extremely stable, very minimal garbage. There is garbage, yes, but we only create garbage in places that it doesn't really affect the overall deal, and places that creating garbage will give us a easier time developing the server and make the code look cleaner and whatnot. So anyway, let's go. Let's have some fun. Let's make some bots. So I have a command here that'll create bots and spread them out. So I'm gonna do that. And if you guys notice, you can see the cycle times down there. It's around 0.1 with one player, which of course means pretty much nothing because one player isn't a lot. So let's do 2,000 players. Feeling like spreading them out 42 tiles, up to 42 tiles away. So that should be pretty realistic looking. So you can see they're all getting appended to the world and everything. To my map region, sorry. They all already went to the world. You see that 67, almost 70 millisecond cycle time there? That was when I added 2K players to the world. But otherwise, this is how it is. So you can see, once I added those 2K players, the memory use is extremely consistent. And you can see the live objects there do not jump much at all. Significantly less than any other RSPS I've ever seen. There may be RSPS that exist that maybe aren't like this. There might be others out there that can support 2K players at this speeds, these kind of cycle times, with these kind of memory, this kind of memory usage. But other than that, I mean, there's not much else to say. This is probably one of the best performing RSPS servers ever. I mean, just look at it. And also, something to mention, this region system is directly from Hyperion with my own edits to make it produce no garbage. Does not produce any garbage. The region system now. The one built in Hyperion's produces ridiculous amount of garbage. Ridiculous amounts. So you can see I'm walking around doing stuff. There are no issues. The memory use is extremely stable, and everything is working excellently. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that gives you some confidence in our project if we haven't convinced you already. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys.